What's up, everybody? It's your girl, msorigiNELL, and I'm back with another nail video. So if you guys want to see how I did my nails for New Year's, stay tuned. Alrighty, so I've already prepped my nails. Prior to this, I had a set on. That's for my thumb and pinky is already done. I just have to do my other 3 nails. So right now, I'm just cutting down the nails to my desired length. And I'm checking to make sure that they're even. And here I'm just shaping my nails to my desired shape, which is the coffin shape. Alright, next I'm going in with this Kiss primer that came in my Kiss kit from my previous nail video. And I'm just priming my natural nails, preparing them for the acrylic application. Alright, next I'm going in with my acrylic application. The acrylic system that I'm using is a brand that here in Korea that I got from the nail mall. I'll have it listed in the description box because I can't think of the name of it right now. And I don't use any specific method when I lay my acrylic. I kind of just lay it as I please. Again, I'm not a nail tech, so I'm just doing what works for me. And here I am placing some foil down, and again, I'm not using any specific method or technique. I'm kind of just laying them anywhere, placing them anywhere that I feel. Alright, and once I'm satisfied with how that looks, I'm just going in with another bead of clear acrylic to encapsulate that. Alright, once the acrylic is all dry, I'm just going in and reshaping the nails. Alright, next I'm taking my e-file and I'm going over the top of my nails, removing any lumps and bumps from my acrylic application. And once I'm done with this, I'll go in and buff the nails. Okay, so my camera had cut off, but I'm just going in with some black gel polish on all of my nails. And once I'm finished with this, I'm going to cure my nails for 60 seconds and then go in with a second coat and cure that for 60 seconds as well. Alrighty, so I wanted to go for a matte look, so I'm using the gel matte top coat. And we're going to cure that for 90 seconds. Alrighty, so I wanted to use some of my stones that I had picked up. I picked up some from Daiso for 1,001, and I picked up some from the nail mall for about 500 won. I had no design in mind, so I'm just freehanding this right now. Y'all see I was struggling because I don't have the right tweezers. These are just some regular tweezers I found around the house. And here I was trying to go for like a ombre look with these gold stones, but I didn't know what I was doing, y'all. I really didn't. So you'll see in a minute that I end up wiping it off and just going with something more simple. And at this point, I was kind of just freestyling, so I'm going to stop talking now and just let you guys watch what I do from here on out. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.